Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 7. O is any point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Then show that there are two bits are there to be solved, in which first one OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is first bit. Second bit is again this AF square plus BD square plus CE square is to be proved as is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Right. Let us try here. First of all, we need to draw a triangle ABC in which O is any point in its interior. So here let us draw a triangle ABC. I am taking this vertex as A, B and C. So here O is any point inside the triangle. Here I am taking O. This is O. Right? Now here OD perpendicular to BC. From O here let us draw one perpendicular. That is OD. OD is perpendicular to BC. Clear? OE is perpendicular to AC. From here let us draw one perpendicular. Let us draw here one perpendicular. For example, this point can be taken as E. This is perpendicular. OE is perpendicular to AC. Similarly, OF is perpendicular to AB. From here, let us draw one more perpendicular to AB. That is OF. This point is F. Now, these are the things to be proved. So, let us write here. Given triangle ABC and O is its interior point, and here OD is perpendicular to BC and OE is perpendicular to AC and OF is perpendicular to AB. Right. So here to prove. So we need to write them as it is. Let us write OA square plus OB square plus OC square. First bit is OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. OD square minus OE square minus OF square. This is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Here I am writing AF square plus BD square plus CE square. This is the first bit. And second bit is AF square plus BD square plus CE square should be equal to, this is equal to this one, AE square plus CD square, AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Right? Now let us start its proof. So we are going to start the proof. Here, for looking, this problem will be somehow clumsy and difficult, but this is absolutely easy problem. The simple way is that here you can take as many as right angle triangles you can. For example, here if we join OA, there you see two right angle triangles are there to be seen. See here, triangle AEO is one right angle triangle. Similarly, triangle AFO is also another right angle triangle. So here two right angle triangles are there. So let us give numbering this as 1. And here if you join BO, on joining BO, right? So here this OFB is a right angle triangle. So let us give its number as number 2. And ODB is also right angle triangle. This is number 3. Similarly, when you join OC here, you will have two more right angle triangles. This is right angle at E and this is right angle at B. Let us give its number as 4. This right angle number is 5. Right triangle number is 6. So here observe carefully that from A, based on A, two right angle triangles are there. Based on B, two more are there. Based on C, two more are there. So total here we are able to see 6 right angle triangles. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem to each of the triangles. So here let us see from triangle I am taking AFO, from triangle AFO, right, where angle F is equal to 90 degrees. Now I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, here hypotenuse square means OA square is equal to here AF square plus OF square, AF square plus OF square, right? So here if you bring this OF square this side, it becomes OA square minus OF square is equal to AF square. This can be taken as equation number 1. Clear? Same way here, from triangle BFO, where angle F is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem for this second triangle, for the second one. That is, here the hypotenuse is OB. So OB square is equal to BF square plus OF square. BF square plus OF square. Let us send OF square this side. So here OB square minus OF square is equal to BF square. This is equation number 2. Right. Now here similarly for equation 3 also I am going to write from triangle ODB, same angle D is equal to 90 degrees. So in this triangle OB is the hypotenuse. So OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. BD square plus OD square. So let us send OD square this side. So this is OB square minus OD square is equal to BD square. This is equation number 3. Right. Now here let us enter the fourth triangle. That is from triangle ODC. Where angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. OC square equal to OD square plus CD square. OC square is equal to CD square plus OD square. Let us send OD square as usual this side. So OC square minus OD square is equal to CD square. Let us take it as equation number 4. And here two more equations are there to be prepared. That is, we enter fifth triangle. That is from triangle, fifth one is OEC. From triangle OEC, where angle E equal to 90 degrees. So here this is hypotenuse. OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square. CE square plus OE square. Let us send OE square this side. So this is OC square minus OE square is equal to CE square. This is equation number 5. And let us enter the last right angle triangle, that is sixth one. So here from triangle we can say it as OEA. From triangle OEA, angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Here if angle E is 90, OA is the hypotenuse. So OA square is equal to AE square plus OE square. Let us send OE square this side. So here OA square minus OE square is equal to AE square. This is equation number 6. Right. So here till now we have prepared 6 equations. Now onwards, what is to be done? Now let us consider this LHS. Now this is the time we need to enter this LHS. So here I am considering here LHS. So here I am writing, or here, okay. So let us consider here LHS. Right. So here I am writing little bit back so that it may take little bit, okay, place may be taken. So LHS is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Now here what I am going to do, simply just observe. I want AF square. In this list you search where AF square is there. If you observe carefully, equation 1 gives us AF square. So by using equation 1, if I write OA square minus OF square, that will be definitely AF square, right? So I am writing here OA square and OF square. These two writing together. Clear? So I am writing here OA square minus this OF square. These two I am writing together. Same way. Second one I required BD square. Here you just observe where is BD square. Here where we have BD square, here third equation. Third equation gives us BD square. That is OB square minus OD square. If I write OB square and OD square, these two together, so here OB square minus OD square. In the next step, I may get the answer. So I can replace this one with BD square. Same way plus. Third one is here I required CE square. So CE square, where we have CE square? Here from equation 5. From equation 5, CE square is OC square minus OE square. So if I write these two together, OC square minus OE square, then by the next step, I may get the answer. So here, as I have told you, from equation 1, it can be replaced with AF square. From equation 3, it can be replaced with BD square. And from equation 5, it can be replaced with CE square. Clear? These are since from equations 1, 3 and 5. Using these three, here I got AF square plus BD square plus CE square, right? With this first bit gets completed. Now this is the time we are going to find the second one also. Let us see second one over here. So this is RHS. So here we got LHS equal to RHS. With this first bit gets completed. Now let us see how to get this second bit. Second bit is very simple. Here we need to show that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square, right? So here let us try it now. This is first bit over, and the second bit is, let us consider LHS, that is AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to, here you observe carefully, already AF square plus BD square plus CE square from the equation 1, it is already proved. AF square plus BD square plus CE square can also be written as this one, this LHS. Is it clear? You observe carefully, this part is nothing but this part. So in place of this, we have already proved that AF square plus BD square plus CE square can be written as this much. So here let us copy it. Here we get OA square. It is already equal to OA square plus this is OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Here you understand, we need AE square. Here you find out in the list where is AE square. Here AE square, second one, fourth one, here sixth one. OA square and OE square, this combination gives us AE square. So OA square, side of that let us write OE square. These two let us write side by side. OA square and OE square let us write side by side. So here I am writing here OA square minus OE square, right? Plus. Now here second one is CD square is required. Here where is CD square? From here equation 4 you see, from 4 we can say OC square minus OD square. Let us write this OC square and minus OD square plus, and here we need one more, that is BF square. BF square, yes, second equation gives us OB square minus OF square. OB square minus OF square, right? See, simple. I have written OA square, OE square together, and OC square, OD square together, and OB square and OF square together. Now here from equations we have used 1, 3, 5. Now equations 2, 4, 6, these can be replaced with by using equation 2, 4 and 6. By using these three can be replaced with OA square minus OE square can be written as AE square plus OC square minus OD square can be written as CD square plus OB square minus OF square can be written as BF square. Here you see, observe carefully, this AF square plus BD square plus CE square. On simplification, we got AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Isn't it RHS? So here we got the, if we take LHS, we got the RHS for the second bit also. So with this second bit also gets completed, and this is how this problem 7th one gets completed.